Yo, it is now 11:01 and we are going to work. I'm actually ready. I have my my uniform inside. Yo, this is how it is here. Look at that, really beautiful. The water is really looking calm. Yeah, the clouds is stunning. Yeah, also looks very calm, the environment. Not so much wind.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Good morning. I have this coffee and I'm driving super relaxing here. We're the king and queen of hearts. Only when the music starts, all my dreams come true. When I dance with you, my imagination, all a part of the earth. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And of course, did I dream that we dance forever? And which was a correlation? I'm the king and you're the queen, and who wants to needs to dream, and who dance never see the stars. Did I dream that we dance forever? And I wish that we made together. Love is night that I pray, that pray. The water looks very calm on top of the hill, but when you are here, you see that it's really moving a little wavy, and looks like the deep down of the water, the sand or the sand of the water are being scraped by the water, and it's not clean looking. Look at this. This is not good. Maybe those people, they bought that thing from the shop and then straight use it. We still have time. We'll be just walking until we reach the workplace. I've missed walking around here. That's what we're going to do today. It is always beautiful here, no matter what the weather is. Always beautiful. Table is where I usually stay before when I was working in the lunch dinner. Yeah, I usually leave the house 1 hour before my duty, and then I stay somewhere around here. Oh, we stopped here because I saw a dolphin. Yeah, this just very near around here. Yeah. Oh, that. Oh, I don't know. You don't see that. Yeah, there is dolphin playing around in there. And you know, I see in the Facebook, in the news, in my news feed, that there are now some dolphins that are roaming around in our province, in our town, in Hondagua, in Quezon province. Yeah, they have seen dolphins around there. That's good. And I know, and I need you here with me. From tonight until the end of time. Have you near me? I wanna have you hear me say yeah. No one. Yo, good afternoon guys. It's actually already okay, so yeah, it's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's raining the whole day, I mean non-stop. It keeps on raining. And yeah, I was just here in the house. I was editing my video and now it's uploaded, this one. Yeah, there's nothing much, so I hope that there is no rain tomorrow, so that at least we can go outside. Good morning guys, this is again another rainy day. Yeah, I'll be on 4 days off and I'm expecting to be rainy the whole week. It is now 8:35 and we're going to prepare our breakfast. Yeah, I have this corned beef that I opened last night because I was hungry and I eat it with the bread like a corned beef sandwich. And I'm going to cook it with the potato. This is how it is now. Yeah, some people they are cooking it really dry without any water like this, without any sauce. Yeah, but you know, it's up to you. One thing for sure, both of them was going to be tasty. It is already cooked, but my rice is still cooking. We wait a little bit. You see outside it's like that. And according to the forecast, it's going to be like that the whole because I will be day off in the coming 3 days. I was day off yesterday, today, and then 2 days more. Yeah, as expected, it's raining the whole day. It is already 4:17, and this is how it is outside. Windy and rainy. Yeah, I had a chat with John and Ronald. Yeah, I was surprised to see Ronald's channel. It keeps in growing very quick. The last time I checked was 1,000 subscriber, and then it became 5,000, around more than 5,000 subscribers these days. Yeah, because he's doing the live streaming. You know, he's like helping the people in the Philippines. Yeah, like doing some raffle, yeah, something like that, which is good, which I can't do, you know, to do live streaming because I'm really shy on the spot video, on the live video. You notice in my conversation with people that, you know, I can't really talk properly. Anyway, we're going to make this the leftover from the lunch, and I'm going to make it a soup. We're going to put some water. Good, but missing some texture. I don't know what can I put. Good morning guys, it's already 9:30. I already had my breakfast and I need to wash this. It's rice and corned beef noodle soup. Yeah, I'm thinking of cutting my hair now. I mean skinhead. Yeah, I actually want to make it really curly, kinky curly, very curly like African hair. Yeah, I found those hair really beautiful. I want to experience that, but you know, my hair is already balding, as you can see in here, and I wanna make it really fine, curly, so that it's going to cover the baldness. But I think it's impossible this time, so I'm going to cut it. That is my purpose, why I am making this hair longer.
Buti off ka rin, no? Ito lang ang upuin mo. Kaya lang tayo.